Hey everyone, for a while now I have been working with IKONART to make my own reusable stencils. I love that with the IKONART custom stencil kit you can seriously make any stencil you want with your own graphics. I saw this headphone tee in an old movie and I wanted to make my version, and it was so easy. I also made an airplane pillow for my next trip, and today I'm going to show you how I did it. Once I made my graphics in PicMonkey, I printed them out on the darkest setting on my home laser printer on the included laser printer film. You can also use an inkjet printer. Just load the laser or inkjet film and print out your images in the darkest setting possible. This kit comes with a UV light, so after it's set up, you'll want to place your textile stencil film texture side up on the base plate. Next, place your printed image on the film so that you can read it, and then cover it with the included sheet of clear film. Make sure it's super flat. Expose the image for 35 seconds with the UV light, making sure you're in a room with limited sunlight. After it's exposed, soak it in water for 45 seconds and you can immediately see your stenciled image start to appear, like magic. Clip it to the IKONART clipboard and spray the stencil with a pressure sprayer to expose the stencil design. It's that easy. When the stencil is completely dry, expose it for another 2 to 3 minutes to make sure it's nice and sturdy and you're ready to start stenciling. For my tee, I'm going to put cardboard inside my t-shirt, then position my stencils. I'm adding extra tape to keep them in place and to make sure I don't get any paint on the shirt. Next, I'll add my fabric screen printing ink with a palette knife, and with my squeegee, I'll spread it across the stencil. Now I'll work on the other side. Finally, I'll add the cord and I'm done. I love the way this looks. For the airplane pillow, I'm repurposing an old, ugly sweatshirt because the fabric is super comfortable. Just trace out another airplane pillow on the folded sweatshirt, add some seam allowance, and cut out. Stencil the design on the top part of the pillow, and when dry, pin the pieces right sides together and stitch around the shape, leaving a hole for filling. Once it's stuffed, Stitch the hole closed and you will be flying in style. I cannot wait to use this on my next trip. Let me know what you think of this project in the comments, and make sure to check out IKONART so you can make your own reusable stencils. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. And if you want to see projects I don't share anywhere else, check me out on Patreon. I'll leave a link for that as well. If you want inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.